Hello guys, welcome back. So let's move to the next one. So while they given the question, 6 liters of a 20% solution of alcohol in water are mixed with 4 liters of a 60% solution of alcohol in water. So the percentage alcoholic strength of mixture is. So guys, it is a problem from the what the concept topic we are discussing, nothing but mixes and irrigations. So guys, not only this topic, for in every concept, right, what I am discussing from the starting onwards. So in between that topic also, we are getting the concepts from other topics also may be included. That means, actually this is a topic from the mixes and irrigation. But here the basic we are using as the type of the, so how we can solve the average type of problems. So in that same way also, we can solve this problem. So that means, so some other topics also can be solved by using some other topics. Right? Hope you understand. So don't always stick to by seeing the question itself. So this is the topic of this is came from that concept. So we have to apply that formula only. So then we cannot find the solution, guys, right? So if you got this solution, so this is actually mixed and derivation. So I have to apply that formula only. So we know the one formula for that type of particular concept, and we are trying for that only that concept only. So we should not get this. So suppose if it like that type of concept only, so by using that, what the thought that came to our mind, so we have to apply that. Maybe of any other concept, so it should be worked out, right? So that is the thing we have to remember, guys. So what they given 6 liters of a 20% solution of alcohol in water or mixed with 4 liters of this 60% solution. The percentage of alcohol strength of the solution of mixed base. So I can do this problem in two types, right? As I said, one is the as like of the average, and other also as the percentage concept. And also I can use two methods in it. So I will do this in the first method, guys. So I am telling all possible methods, guys, right? And also the shortcuts. So these are the frequently repeated questions, right? What are the problems we are discussing from the starting topic onwards, right? So those who are following the people know, guys, right? So all the frequently asked questions for all the competitive exams, right? And also for the placements, right? We are discussing. So let's move to the question, guys. Method 6 liters of a 20% of solution. So by using the average ones. So how can I do this? So they ask for 6 liters of a 20% of solution or alcohol in water mixed with 4 liters of a 60% solution of alcohol in water. They are asking the percentage alcoholic strength. So the percentage alcoholic strength. So how can we obtain, guys? So percentage alcoholic strength equal to 60 to 20 plus that 4 liters of a 60%. So 4 into 60 divided by total mixture solution is 6 plus 4 liters. That is 6 plus 4. So from this what you can get? I will get as 36. So percentage alcoholic strength equals to 36 plus. That is 36%. So let's move to the next method. So I can do this method using the percentage concept. Using the percentage, right? So how can I do, guys? So as I already said, we discussing the percentage. Well, how can I calculate that is 20% of the solution is 6 liters mixed, guys. So I can say the first one is so R1 you can assume that. So 6 liters of a 20% is how can I do? So 6 into 20 by 100, right? So calculate that value. Similarly, R2 equals to 4 liters of a 60%. So 4 into 60 divided by 100. So calculate R2 here R1 you obtain. So how can I obtain the total percentage alcoholic strength? So percentage alcoholic strength equals to this R2 is the percentage alcoholic strength in this liters. The percentage alcoholic strength R1 is in 6 liters. It is present in the mixture, right? So percentage alcoholic strength equals to so total alcoholic solution. That means R1 plus R2 divided by so total solution is nothing but 6 plus 4. That means 1. That means S1 plus S2 into 100, guys. As the percentage of concept is into 100, we have to, right? For this, when you are doing in the form of percentage, so we get the answer as 36. Let's say. So that's it, guys. So the option is. So that's the thing we have to remember, guys, right? So that's why in every topic also in very. So regarding the questions of the same concept, but we are doing different positions, right? So in every topic, I am coming with the same ideas, right? That's it, guys. In order to aware from like this type of questions will also become for the examinations. That's it, guys. Hope you understand, right? So very important thing, guys. Very important problem. So two methods are solved. The first concept is based on average, and the second one is based on percentage. That's it, guys. Hope you understand. It's truly Tejas signing off. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.